Hi guys, Derek Couto with Couto Construction. This week we're raising the roof for all the right reasons. It's National Roofing Week, a time to spotlight the essential work roofers do to protect the homes and families across our community. Each year, National Roofing Week increases awareness about the significance of roofs to every home and business and shares the good deeds of the industry. At Couto Construction, we've been protecting Massachusetts and Rhode Island homes for over 40 years, one roof at a time. A solid roof does more than just keep out the weather. It brings peace of mind and adds value to your home and keeps your family safe. During National Roofing Week, we want to thank you, the dedicated team, the hardworking professionals who go above and beyond day in and day out. If it's time to upgrade your roof or replace your roof, trust the team that treats your home like it's our own. And remember, when it comes to roofing, our family's got yours covered.